Hi everyone. Okay, so today we are going to continue factoring trinomials. We're just going to add a tiny little extra step, but you guys already know how to do this. Whenever we're factoring anything, we always need to look for a GCF, okay? We need to look to see if any of these terms have anything in common. So let's look at this example. 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. I'm hoping you guys all realize they're all even numbers, and so that they all have a GCF of 2. So what I could do is I could divide each of these by 2. I'm going to factor out a 2. So I'm going to get 2. This is going to be x squared. That's a squared. 6x divided by 2 is 3x. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, what I can do is now look in the parentheses. Now I can factor this trinomial like I've been doing the past couple of days. Okay, so I'm going to write an AM above this. I need two numbers that multiply to 2 that add to 3. And I'm hoping you guys all realize the only numbers that multiply to 2 are 2 and 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So I got to bring down this 2. I'm going to do my two sets of parentheses. X, X, and so my numbers are 2 and 1. So I'm going to write plus 2 and plus 1. And this is my final answer. The only extra step I'm adding today is before you start figuring out two numbers that multiply and add, you have to find a GCF. Let's try another one. All right. So here, 10a squared plus 10, that should be 10a. I'll fix it. Minus 20. So I'm hoping you guys all see that 10 goes into each term. So I'm going to factor out a 10. So I'm going to divide each term by 10. Oh no, where did my mouse go? Oh no. Okay. Dude, hush. Oh, the secret word is crayon. Oh, this is going crazy. Okay. So I'm going to factor out a 10 first. So then I'm left with a squared plus a minus 2. Okay. Now I need two numbers that add to 1 but multiply to negative 2. Okay. So this is one of the problems where since it has to multiply to a negative number, I'm going to have 1 plus and 1 minus. So I'm going to bring down my 10. I have A's in both. I'm going to have 1 plus and 1 minus. But it has to add to a positive 1. So that means the higher number is going to be positive. So the only numbers that multiply to 2 are 2 and 1. So I'm going to pick a positive 2 and a negative 1. So just to double check, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 2 plus negative 1 is a positive 1. My computer is really messed up. I'm sorry. All right. I don't know if we're going to be able to try another one. Where's my mouse?